Hi Sagittarius, welcome to Falcon Tarot. This is a monthly reading for November. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do the video for. Now let's jump in and see what this particular month has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you is Two of Wands, Page of Pentacles, and the Empress card. Person B here, they have the Hanged Man, the Temperance card, and the Six of Swords. We'll also see what is the mutual feeling that both of you have, what is the blockage in this relationship, and what is the outcome of this relationship. Now, bottom of the deck, I have Page of Cups, which means that both of you have a lot of emotions for each other, but maybe you are a little more childish right now, a little more immature, and you don't know how to go about with this particular relationship, or you don't know how to maybe express your emotions to this person in a mature way. Now from the first set of cards, I see you have Two of Wands, Page of Swords, and the Empress card. Two of Wands means that you could have two options, okay, and Wands energy shows passion, sex, physical beauty. So maybe one of those options is somebody whom you are interested in, and that person is very, very physically attractive, and that's the reason why you are so much, attracted towards that person. The second card for you is Page of Swords. This means that there is some kind of conversation that you need to have with this person. This conversation will be a little immature because the page energy is not a very mature energy. The third card that I see here is the Empress card. Now, Empress is a major arcana, and in most cases, Empress means that you have the qualities of all the queens, which means that financially you're doing really good for yourself. Along with that, you are also going ahead and taking care of other areas of your life. For some of you, Empress could also go ahead and mean that there could be some kind of pregnancy and fertility around you, so which could also be that maybe you are pregnant in some cases. Okay, now person B here, I see they have the Hanged Man energy, the Temperance card, and the Six of Swords. With Hanged Man, this person is stuck because they want to think about something, okay, maybe about this relationship. So they are stuck in that energy where they are really putting a lot of thought, okay, on what they want to go ahead and do in this relationship. The second card here is the Temperance card, which means balance is required, and this person realizes that balance is something which is missing in the relationship. The third card is Six of Swords. Six of Swords means that somehow this person feels that this relationship has kind of become a burden for them. They are the ones who are dragging this relationship. Now this is not for all of you, but it could be for some of you. Now what I see as the mutual feeling between the two of you is this Six of Wands. Now that's a very positive sign, because Six of Wands means that you want victory or success in this particular relationship. The burden or the blockage that I see here is the King of Pentacles. In some cases, money could be one of those factors which is coming in between the two of you. Now let's also see what is the outcome that I see here. The outcome is the Queen of Pentacles. So that's a very positive sign, because I have a couple here, the King and the Queen of Pentacles. The Queen of Pentacles means that you will eventually work and ensure that you have your finances in place, okay, and with this couple coming in, it means that the effort towards reaching maybe a financial stability is something that both of you will work for. Now let's see what is the intention of this person for you. So the first card that I see here is Queen of Wands, Four of Cups, and King of Pentacles. Queen of Wands in some cases talks about the third person, okay. This energy is again a very strong energy. It means that whoever is in this energy will go ahead and do whatever they want to, and they'll ensure that they get it also. Now the second card here is Four of Cups. This means that person is currently a little bored out of this entire situation. They will not take a cup of love if it is offered to them at this point in time. The third card here is the King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles means that the focus currently is more on, making your future stable, focusing more on pentacles and money. That's the focus that I see right now. Now with this, let's also go ahead and see what is the message from the Moonology Oracle cards. So the message that I see here is a time for healing. Now this means that if there is a situation where both of you need to heal, okay, then take that time out, heal yourself, and then decide what you guys want to do about this relationship. Now with this, let's also go ahead and see what is the message we have from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see for you is brown agate. The crystal messages: have you been spending time in nature? How does your garden grow? Whether you live in a small city apartment or an expansive farm, you can always find a way to establish your roots in the earth and nature. Use the negative ions of the mountain, sea or air for your overall well-being. Now with this, there's also a message here from Archangel Thuriel that I'll go ahead and put in the description box, and you can read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular video. If you like the content, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, stay safe, love yourself first.